Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a profound and thought-provoking topic to delve into. It's all about the power of solitude and how being alone can be a transformative journey that brings you closer to your true self and your life's purpose. We often hear that being alone isn't the absence of company, but rather a moment when your soul is free to speak to the divine, to yourself, and to help you decide what to do with your life. In a world that might question your choice to walk this path alone, remember that it's in solitude that you truly find yourself. You're not escaping from the world. Instead, you're diving deep into the core of your existence. It's through reflecting on yourself that you'll undergo a powerful change. And when you emerge, you'll shine brightly, ready to inspire others with your newfound light. If you've ever felt alone in your spiritual journey, please know that you haven't done anything wrong or missed out on anything. In fact, being alone on this journey is crucial, as it's a precious moment where you encounter the essence of your being. Being alone compels you to journey within yourself, and that's where everything originates. It's the most important endeavor in life, becoming aware of your internal landscape. When you are alone, you are forced to seek answers to your problems independently. It can be a painful process as you navigate and release past traumas, constantly working to shift your thought patterns. Understand that certain experiences must occur to shape you into the person you've always aspired to be. It's like starting a brand new life with a new environment, mindset, belief systems, and a fresh perspective. In the midst of your spiritual journey, your beliefs play a significant role. Society, friends, and family may have influenced your thinking. Being isolated allows you to become aware of this influence and question why you think the way you do. Remember, you were never meant to conform to any crowd. You are a natural leader. Unfortunately, this realization might have been suppressed during your upbringing, but now you stand alone effortlessly. It's in the aloneness of your spiritual journey that you learn the art of self-love. True love begins within yourself and radiates outwards, touching every aspect of your existence. Many of us unknowingly give away our energy to toxic individuals who drain us. However, through isolation, you will learn how to reclaim your energy and establish boundaries with toxic relationships. In the depths of being alone, you learn to be comfortable in your own skin. Here, there is no need to conform or seek validation, for you are free to express yourself without judgment. Being alone on this chosen path is a sign that you are destined for something greater. The pain you endure and the healing you undergo on this journey are worth it. In the end, it will all prove to be worthwhile. Some people may not attain the depth of wisdom that you possess. They won't experience the present moment fully or feel the love emanating from the universe. You are on the path to profound emotions, unconditional love, and liberation from pain. Be grateful for the opportunity to undergo a spiritual awakening. In this lifetime, you're on the cusp of realizing how close you are to achieving your desires. The universe and the divine are on your side, and they are all you truly need. In conclusion, remember that you are never truly alone on this journey. There's a special connection you already have or will soon discover that will transform your life. As you embrace the transformative power of being alone, you'll come to realize that you don't need anyone else on earth to feel complete. Every emotion and feeling you seek will be discovered within yourself. So, my friends, as you embark on your spiritual journey, remember that being alone is not a path of loneliness, but a pilgrimage of self-discovery and growth. Embrace the transformative power of solitude and honor the divine wisdom that unfolds within the sanctuary of your soul. Within this sacred space, you'll find the true essence of your being, the light that guides your way, and the boundless love that dwells within. I want to take a moment to express my gratitude for your continued support. Your engagement comments, and shares mean the world to us. If you found this video inspiring, please consider sharing it with someone who might need to hear this message. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts, and remember, you are never alone on this journey. I wish you all an absolutely beautiful day. Thank you for being here with us.